Okay, see this steam coming out of the side here? This is very important for any of you that are cooking starchy things like pasta, rice, all those things on high pressure in your pressure cooker. It can cause this to clog with starch, like you see here from the last time. I've been running a few tests on a recipe I've been working on. So this got clogged with starch, and this needs to be washed. And I didn't wash in between my two tests, so that's why this has happened. But if any of you aren't washing your pressure cooker lid properly, then this could happen. And then you'll get a signal on here that says burn. And when that happens, it's because you're not cleaning the lid of your pressure cooker properly, especially after cooking starchy plant-based ingredients on a protective diet. Take care, everyone. I hope this tip helps you out. Clean those pressure cookers properly for best results.